Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah.
In this lesson, we will do some more practice about connectors and non-connectors and try to make some words. Like we have two letters, Noon and Alif. So Noon is a connector and Alif is non-connector. So Noon can assume initial position, whereas Alif can assume only the independent position or final position. So the initial position of Noon is this, Noon, and then in the final position of Alif is this. So when we will combine them, it will become Noon Alif Na, Noon Alif Na, Noon Alif Na. Okay. Similarly, we have one letter Be and one letter Kaf. So here Be and Kaf both are connectors, so we can make them Bak, Be Kaf Bak. So this is the initial position of Be and this is the final position of Kaf. So we'll one connector here, so it will be written like this, Be and Kaf, Be Kaf Bak. If we use Pesh here, so it will become Book. Alright. There is one rule about Kaf and Alif. Kaf and Alif or Gaf and Alif. If Alif appears after Kaf and Gaf, so it will make special sound Kaf Alif Ka. So we will write them like this. We'll make this Kaf as round and Alif, Kaf Alif Ka, and from here Gaf Alif Ga. Okay, there is another example like Jim and Waw. So Jim is a connector and Waw is non-connector. So Jim can assume initial position and Y can assume only the final position. So this is the initial position of Jim and this is the final position of Waw. So when we will combine them, we can make them Ju, Jim Waw, Ju. Okay. There is one letter Z and then one letter Waw. Both are non-connectors, so they will appear Z Waw Zu as independent, so we cannot connect them. Zu. Similarly, there is one sound Meme and one Alif. One sound Meme and one Alif. So there is one sound Meme and one sound Alif. Meme is connector and Alif is non-connector. So Meme initial position and Alif final position. Meme Alif Ma. Okay. Then Meme and Che. Much, Meme, Che, much. So Meme, both are connectors. So Meme and Che will be written like this, much. If it is Meme Pesh, so much. If it is Meme Zer, mich. If it is Meme Zabar, much. Like for example, Meme Zer Che mich, Meme Zabar Che much, and Meme Pesh Che much. Okay, there is one letter Re and one letter Ye. Re, 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 Ye, Re. So we can, Re is non-connector and Ye is connector, but since Ye is appearing in the end in Re sound, so we will write it as it is. So Re, either Re choti Ye or Re badi Ye, Re sound. Similarly, there is one sound lam and he. Lam, he, lah. So he we will write like this. Lam, he, lah. Lam is connector, so we'll take the initial position of lam, and he. Either you can write it like this, or you can connect it as it is. See it again. Lam, this is the initial position, and this he, it will be written like this with connector here, or it will be written like this with a connector here. So we have lam, he, la, or we have lam, he, la. There is one be, alif, ba sound, ba, like baba. So be is connector, it will assume the initial position, and alif is non-connector. So we write ba, and if we repeat it again, ba, ba. We cannot connect alif with be because alif is non-connector. So there are two parts. So, okay, there is another group like te and ye, ti. And if we have te and he and ye, this is thi, this is ti, and this is thi. So ti, te and ye both are connectors, so we can make it in one, we can write it in one group. Same is true with te, he and ye. So how to write ti? So this is the initial position of te, and this is the final position of e. So we'll write ti like this. But for ti, the initial position of te we'll use like this, and then he with connector on both sides because we have one letter in the end also. So this thi we will write like this, te, he, thi. So ti and thi. Sometime we need ti and sometime we need thi. In this lesson we have practiced some more sounds like noon, alif, na, be, kaf, bak, kaf, alif, ka, gaf, alif, ga, jim, vav, ju, and ze, vav, zo, mim, alif, ma, mim, che, mach, mich, mach, or much, re, ye, ri, re, ye, re, lam, he, la, be, alif, ba, like ba, ba, ti, te, ye, ti, or thi, te, he, and choti. So that's all in this lesson. Thank you very much.